Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can set your iPhone camera format to either high efficiency or most compatible. Now this tutorial is really simple. So you're going to open settings and you are going to scroll down until you find the camera section, which is here under photos and above podcasts. So select the camera and you're going to simply select formats. Here is where you can change it to either high efficiency or most compatible. So I use high efficiency to reduce file size, but if you'd like to, yes, I do reduce file size with high efficiency, and 4K at 60 FPS will require high efficiency as well. So that's why I think the high efficiency one is the best option for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.